Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify portfolio diversification with Schwab, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify portfolio diversification with Schwab, start by logging into your Schwab account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab. Select Portfolio from the drop-down menu. You will be taken to a summary of your investment accounts. Locate and click on the Investment Products section. Here, find the option labeled Asset Allocation. This section provides a visual representation of your portfolio composition. Review the chart to understand your holdings across different asset classes. Next, explore the Sector Diversification feature. This will show the distribution of your investments across various sectors. Check for any heavy concentrations in a single sector. If you find concentrations, consider balancing those sectors with additional investments. Now, look at the geographic allocation information. This reveals how your investments are spread across different regions. Aim for a mix that includes both domestic and international assets. To further assess diversification, click on Individual Investments. This allows you to review all investments held in your portfolio. Ensure that you are not overly reliant on a few key investments. Next, utilize Schwab's research tools for deeper insights. Search for market reports or analysis related to your holdings. This can help you understand the risks associated with your current allocations. Consider setting up alerts for significant market changes. This will keep you informed about potential risks that could affect your portfolio. As a final step, regularly revisit your portfolio allocation. Periodically assess your investment strategy as markets change. Make adjustments based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.